Grand Rising Manifestors. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this technique called mirror work and how you can use this technique to manifest anything you want fast. Now, if you're new here, your first time checking me out, my name is Woke Reg, and I'll talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and spirituality. Now, what is mirror work? Well, mirror work was created by Louise. She's a renowned author that wrote this book called Heal Your Body. And in that book, she talked about how you can use affirmations to heal your body. And she used mirror work to do this. But you can also use mirror work to manifest things in your life, like money, like good health, like a new job or a new car. So that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to show you how mirror work works, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to manifest anything that you want. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you need to do, guys, every morning and every night before you go to bed, these are always the best times to do this type of technique, but you can do it throughout the day if you want to. But I'm just saying every morning and every night are the best times to do this technique. All you do, guys, is go stand in front of the mirror. This is before you go to bed, when you're getting sleepy, when you're getting drowsy. That's when the conscious mind, the beta brain waves, going to turn into alpha brain waves. So when it turns to alpha brain waves, that's when it's connecting to the subconscious mind. So that's why this is the best time to do this technique. So what you're going to do, go in front of the mirror and you're going to stare into your eyes. Look deep, deep into your eyes. And then you're going to start talking to yourself. So I'm laughing because, you're talking to yourself. People say when you talk to yourself, you're kind of crazy. But talking to yourself is good. It's healthy. If you don't talk to yourself, you need to start talking to yourself, because it's real good to talk to yourself. It's real healthy to talk to yourself, especially when you're saying positive things. So what you're going to do is look into the mirror, and you're going to have a conversation with yourself, and you're going to say these things. For example, if you want money, I always use money as an example, because mostly people want money. They're trying to manifest money. So let's say $10,000. I like to use $10,000 because I'm trying to make $10,000 every month. So $10,000. So you'll look at yourself and you'll say, Reggie, that's my name, Reggie, don't you feel good getting that $10,000 every month? Every time you look at your bank account, you see $10,000. Don't that feel good? Because I feel real happy. So you talk like that, you know what I'm saying? And you got to be very emotional. So whatever you want to manifest, if you're in a state of happiness or you're excited, show that emotion when you're talking to yourself in the mirror. So again, you'll say, ooh, I love that $10,000 I have in a bank account. It feels real good, don't it, Reggie? You know what I'm saying? So you want to talk to yourself like it's another person talking to you, but it's like you talking to yourself. You know what I'm saying? So you do that. You say that for maybe a couple of minutes. There's really no time limit. You can say it for 30 minutes if you want to. But the main thing is say it with a lot of feeling. And when you say it with a lot of feeling and it gets to the point where it just feels good, that's when you know, boom, you connected to the subconscious mind. Because the subconscious mind connected to the body. When something is going right, the subconscious mind relates that to the body. When something is going wrong, again, your body is telling you something's wrong. So you want to say those things. You know, you can say it in an affirmation form like, I have $10,000, or Reggie, you have $10,000 in the bank. You can say that, or you just have a conversation like I just did. And you just got to say it with some feeling. And you know, you want to be smiling. You want to use all your senses. You know what I'm saying? Even like if you can smell how the money, you know what I'm saying? If it's a smell to, you know, money, when you smell money, it's going to have a smell to it. So if you can have that smell, even if you have just a dollar or something in your hand, just smell it and talk about having that $10,000. And, you know, have that feeling throughout your body. Have that facial expression like you like, yes, oh my God, I feel so good. You know what I'm saying? And that's going to connect with the subconscious mind. And once it connects to the subconscious mind, game over. You know what I'm saying? You are there. You know what I'm saying? The subconscious mind is connected and it's going to bring it to fruition. That's really how the mirror work works. That's how it works. You just constantly talk to yourself in a positive manner. Talk to yourself as if you already have this manifestation while you're looking at yourself in the mirror. And you can also visualize yourself with that. If it's money, visualize yourself with that money in your hand, or visualize yourself looking at your bank account with that money in your bank account. Or if you want a car, visualize yourself in that car while you're looking in the mirror. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it works, guys. So give it a try. Now, if this video brought some value to you today, you know what I want you to do, especially you new people. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, share this video everywhere, help this channel get to 5,000 subscribers, because once I get there, I'm going to reward 3 people with some money. I'm going to send some money through their Cash App. So let's get to 5,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And one last thing, guys. I have a free ebook that I'm offering to you guys. To get that free ebook, just click on the link in the description or in the comments. It's called Every Word Has Power. It talks about certain words you can use that will help you manifest anything that you want in your life. Peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.